Now we're making an acrylic blank ornament with the green and red blanks in our box. So you'll need your resin, your blank, the decal to match the blank. I use a plastic scraping tool and some silicone brushes. So the first thing that you want to do is take your plastic scraping tool if you have one, weeding tools work also, and just pull up the edge of the blank and make sure that this edge is the edge that will match the decal. You want it to make sure you're doing the right way. So that little hole at the top should be at the top left. Then we're gonna go ahead and sand this down. Use a little alcohol spray, wipe up any dust. Then we're gonna take our decal and place it right into the middle of that blank. So it looks like this. Now let's go ahead with our original formula, add some to the middle, use our silicone brush to spread it around, and make sure you get up and around that hole, but try not to go in it. Once it starts to level out, let it rest for a few minutes so that any bubbles can make it to the surface, and then use your lighter quickly to sweep some heat across the top to get rid of any of those surface bubbles. Cure that for 1 to 2 minutes, and you are left with this adorable little ornament. All you have to do is peel off the backing. This is the easiest ornament ever. No glittering, no mixing, nothing. Hang your hook and you're good. To clean your tools, just toss them in the lamp, cure them, peel off the resin, and it's good to go.